Judy, the caseload is piling up, and a new administration in Washington means fresh demands for federal prosecutors here in Chicago who have not had a permanent boss in years. As immigration and deportation cases are likely to fill federal court dockets, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Northern District of Illinois is at a critical juncture.
If walls could talk, those that line Chicago's Dirksen Federal Building could tell the tales of takedowns of some of the country's most storied criminals.
This is one of the most important U.S. attorneys' offices in the country in terms of their work on public corruption, fighting crime, enforcing immigration laws.
But right now, some say the federal prosecutor's office is a shadow of its former self, operating without a permanent leader. U.S. Representative Darren LaHood, Illinois' highest-ranking Republican in Washington, wants to make quick work of helping President Trump fill the role.
There's a long list of people that will be qualified, that will want the job.
Acting U.S. Attorney Morris Sonny Pasquale was put in the top spot on a temporary tenure nearly 2 years ago. Joliet native John Lausch, nominated by President Trump during his first term in 2017, was the last confirmed lead prosecutor in the office. President Biden's pick to fill the job, April Perry, was never confirmed.
We were stopped by one senator, a senator from Ohio named J.D. Vance.
Data from the U.S. government shows the number of criminal indictments filed by the Northern District of Illinois' office have dropped relatively steadily in the last 4 years, from 924 in 2019, bottoming out at 396 in 2024. That's the lowest in at least 30 years. Sources with knowledge of the selection process tell the ABC 7i team these former federal prosecutors are contenders for the U.S. attorney role: Andrew Boutros, Mark Schneider, and Jeff Kramer.
President Trump and his team will want a strong prosecutor in this office, someone that's going to enforce the rule of law.
The new U.S. attorney is going to have to thread a needle between the priorities that are given in Washington and having troops that believe in the mission. It's going to take a special person.
There are currently 144 assistant U.S. attorneys working in the Northern District. That's around the same number the office had back in 2002. The difference between now and then, the office indicted more than twice as many cases back in 2002.
Wow.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.